Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer Presto balance to new card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your browser and simply type in prestocard.ca/en/. Once you have done so, you will be able to land on their official website. Right over here, all you have to do is go to the support option on top and tap on this lost or damaged card. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to actually see the process to simply transfer your balance to another one, how you can do it, etc. If in case it's cancelled, stolen, or damaged, simply the topic is only that, but if you would like to transfer, this is the process. And once you have read it through accordingly, tap on this report now option. So now this will simply open this kind of interface where you actually have to first sign in with your Presto account or your email address and password. Once you have once you are adding in the credentials accordingly, you will be able to tap on the sign in. Right after that, you will be able to access yourself. There's a particular section which includes select card to cancelling the card permanent and cannot be reversed, transfer the balance of my lost and stolen damaged cards. So right over here, all you have to do is simply choose from this three options, which includes a replacement Presto card or a new Presto card already purchased. Simply choose this particular option because to transfer balance to the new one. Then right afterwards, you will be able to find this kind of interface which includes transfer balance on top. All you have to do is simply enter your old card details over here in your new card details. Once you're done, you will be able to activate your card and then transfer the money to the new Presto card of yours. Make sure to follow the steps accordingly. If you're having any kind of issues with it, simply contact the Presto support and you will be able to do it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.